So the question is, do you guys think that men and women can stay together in an apartment as friends?
Yeah, of course.
That's cool.
That's cool.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I don't think it's cool.
You don't think
Cool shit.
cool shit. Oh, okay.
Yeah, they can.
Yep.
Yeah, they can.
agree to it.
I completely agree to it.
Yes.
Yes, I totally agree to that.
Okay.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, I think it's acceptable. It's totally cool. Actually, if you have a good understanding with what you have with a guy, it's totally the same if you have with a girl also. You can,
What do
without
you-
sleeping, you can do stay.
Okay. What do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know? That'd be
That'd be awesome. That'd be equality. That'd be good.
That'd be good.
Yes, that'd be good.
What about you? You
No, I don't think so. No.
You don't think
Friends and stuff doesn't work out well. I mean, you know what I'm talking about, yeah?
See, I don't think my parents would agree for that. And yeah, before marriage, I don't think it's cool.
No, no.
I think it's each and every person's choice, and it's not a problem as long as we're friends and we know what our relation is. So.
As
Who
simple
we
as
are
that.
to say that you should not stay and all?
Yeah.
Yeah, chill and it's okay. Hey, if I want to stay with you, it's okay, and we both are okay. Then fine, yeah. Like we both are roommates. If we both are fighting with each other, then we should not stay with each other. And if we both are okay, then yeah, fine, chill, okay. Yeah, we are staying together. Good. We are fine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Even though it's considered a taboo in Indian society, and people say that people would obviously start judging you that, oh my god, she's for a girl. So, oh my god, she's such a slut, she's staying, what is she doing, and all that. So, of course, there's that.
So, what do you think are the disadvantages and advantages of men and women staying together?
Advantages. I don't know. Advantages of it. Disadvantages. I can tell you a lot of disadvantages.
Tell me disadvantages then.
Yeah, friends. Sometimes it's difficult, so you cannot become only friends. So it might be difficult. So yeah.
Issues like
Cleanliness, yes. A
A
girl will
guy's
definitely
apartment, a
make-
girl cannot stay in a guy's apartment.
Yeah.
their house and I'm like, what is this?
that. So, what do you think is the differences between staying with men and staying with women?
Staying with men and straight men? Or well, I think when a guy and girl gets too close, I mean, this thing start. Yeah.
What happens?
You get bro zoned.
You get bros.
She treats you like a brother.
Yeah, there are some difficulties in terms of cleanliness and stuff. Because guys will be guys, and yeah.
Every life is complicated, man. Where you want to go to eat, if you ask, then you will get like 10 complicated answers. Let's go left, no wait, let's go right. One girl will think of 3 directions to go in, and then you have to be the one standing there till they make decision. It's fun.
They don't cook.
Choose the right people. Yeah, choose the right people.